Hi parents, I'm going to show you how to navigate your My Parish parent portal to figure out what your student is up to. So first log in via the app here, parishepiscopal.myschoolapp.com. Log in, and then you're going to click on your student's name over here on the left. Now, what you're first going to see are some big things up at the top. Conduct is that if your student has received any infractions or detentions. Over here is your attendance. You can go back in the history and figure out their whole attendance record if you'd like to. Down here are the courses your student is enrolled in. And on the right here are those classes' corresponding teachers. You can easily just click here to email them, or you can message them. Message will appear right up here when you receive one, and the same goes for the teacher. Now, what is new for this is you can also do this and click on schedule to find out what your student is up to. So this is Pete Panther. He has 2 courses. So on Thursday, the first day of school, he's going to go at 8 a.m. to see Mrs. Peterson, and then at 2 he's going to come see Ms. Geisler for ceramics. Now if you want to schedule an orthodontist appointment or something, you might want to do this and look at Pete Panther's whole life schedule. So Pete only has 8A classes because he's a Panther. But you can go through here and pick the day that might be the best for an appointment. So that schedule feature is really nice. Back here, this is the assignment center where all of Pete's assignments will go to from any class he's in. Okay, in here there's some new features right here. Click on here and you can see the grades or grades with comments. There's a really easy way to put comments now. So you'll want to choose with comments for sure. And then cumulative grade would be like the whole trimester grade. Also, please know that there's a great way when teachers are entering assignments to mark whether it's late, incomplete, or missing. So both you and your student should be able to sort your assignments by those kind of grading issues. You can also see here assigned and due. So if you want to see what's due or what has been assigned, there's lots of great ways to sort the information you've received. So you could do it in a day, a week, or you can write within the week, within a range of days. Lots of great stuff there. So getting back to Pete, let's see what happens when we go check out Pete's specific class. So each class has its own site, similar to the homework Google sites from before, but all located here and a little bit different. This is the teacher's bulletin board for boot camp. Here you'll find the teacher's office hours, the syllabus, which you can download if you still need it, and any other just basic information. Topics is where you're going to find more in-depth information. There might be videos or links or readings or other information. And these will kind of roll out as the class happens. Assignments here is where you're going to get assignments for this specific class. Please note that there also can be assessments made in this new program. So you might actually need to your student might actually need to take quizzes in their portal. So watch for both assignments like read page 23 and assessments. Take this quiz, you'll have 20 minutes. It's new and it's all here in the same place. Roster, where you find everybody who's in the class. Again, you can message the teacher or email the teacher right here in the course. So that's pretty much all you're going to need to know, how to figure out what your student is up to, how to talk to your students, find their assignments, and check up on their grades.